Welcome to Thomas and Friends Wet and Railway Stories, Season 1, Episode 5, James and the Trucks. Please enjoy this special. I don't want to take the truck. Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Why are these voices in my head? Well, wait up. Just take them, James. Sir's rules. Fine, Thomas. Hey, Thomas. Oh, you. Hey, boss. What is it? What about we push him off a track? Sure, I like that. Yeah. Well, now. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! No! Whoa! OMG, what the heck? A few days later. With that, James doesn't pull trucks anymore. Come on, Birdie, let's race. Okay.